What's up, YouTube? Thomas back with another video. Look, with this coronavirus going on, everybody's all scared and worried about dying. We've been all over town. Everybody's out of masks. Lowe's is out of masks. Walgreens, you name it, they're out. It's we can't find a mask. We can't find a mask to save our lives. So this is what I come up with. Get your old dinner napkin that your wife made. And some antibacterial wipes. This kills viruses. Check it out. Okay, so what you're going to do is lay your dinner napkin out. Get you a disinfectant wipe. Lemon scented. Just put it right there in the middle. Okay. Just like that. And fold down. Fold up to it. And that's it. You want to leave it wide like that, so it covers your whole nose face area. Okay. Alright, so then you just take it and put it right over your face like that. Tie it off in the back. There you go. You're good to go to the grocery store, the bank, you can feel safe. And you've got a nice fresh scent. I'm not saying do this, because I don't know. Maybe it's bad to breathe the disinfectant wipe, but it sure smells good. And I look good too, I think. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.